Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another video in my lapis series, I guess. I love this brass pendant, and I already put a bail on it. It looked like this before with these were the bails that I chose. So cute, this little brass. This is like a raw brass pendant. Adorable. We're gonna just make a really quick necklace. Not really like a tutorial at this point, it's just like a design thing, but I thought you would appreciate it since some of the things I'm making in this series I haven't filmed. I'll show you a roundup at the end. This one's gonna be super simple. I also have some of this really cool paperclip paperclip-esque chain that I got in Tucson. And then I have a little thingy of beads here. So I used some of these in my last lapis video. These are the big ones. So I'm just gonna use a few of them at the front of the necklace. So here's my pendant. The large two are gonna go on either side of the pendant, and then what am I gonna do here? I think I have these little tiny ones, these little tiny brass spacers. Let's dump everything out. I'm gonna put one there and one on the other side of my quartz, and then two smaller lapis pieces. Sounds good to me. I just want it to be very simple and this is definitely a layering necklace, I think. I don't think I'd wear this by itself. Maybe, but now I'm going to have so many different lapis ones I won't have to wear it by myself or by itself. So, and then I'll just do the rest with this chain. I got out some 19 strand bead-on bead stringing wire in gold. And I just need to, I think I'm going to get out my magic crimper if I can find my gold crimps. There we go. Let's do that. So I'm just going to need two, but I poured out a couple extra. Just going to string everything on. The issue I might have is that bail. So we'll kind of see what's going on there. And I want to make sure this is completely closed because this is a very, well, it's not too thin, but I think it could slip through there. I don't know if I could do that with my fingers or if I need to get my pliers out. There we go. And let's see how this works. Trying to make sure I have the right side of the brass. I don't think it matters. Just want to make sure that this works. Yeah, I don't really love that. I like how it looks, but not like how the pendant is hanging. So, I think what I'll do there is put some smaller brass beads that can go inside of the bail. I have these. Yeah, these are reminiscent of the beads we have on there already. So let's see how this looks. And if this doesn't work, I have some more that I can try. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan. I'm not a huge fan of that. So I'm going to try something else. I have those spacers that I used on our first lapis necklace. And I used them recently on a bracelet and a necklace that I haven't filmed. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get, at least with this bail. So I have different bails. I have this one, which would make the transition easier between these two beads, but the color is off. It's too bright gold. Same goes for this one. It would be easier, but again, it's not brass, and I think I like how this looks so well enough that it works fine. And then I'll just string the rest. Okay, so I really like that. I could put some more lapis on, but I don't think I need to. I just really wanted it to be this pendant, my two crystals, and the lapis. So as you well know, this will go really nice with that moon charm bracelet I made, because I used some lapis and crystal quartz in that too. All right, I'm gonna string on my crimp bead, find the end of my chain, and then come back through my crimp bead. Take my magic crimping pliers. And we make a ravioli, and then we keep going around in a circle. So make sure I have that in the right spot. Okay, we have a pretty gold bead now, so I'm going to slip on my lapis. Let's move that down, and I'm going to trim that. Actually, let's see. All right, I'm going to move everything down. Okay. We'll cut on this side. And then crimp, and I'm just going to crimp on to the end of my chain, and then I'll decide what length I want later after I'm crimped on. But if you know how long you want your necklace to be, that's totally fine too. This stuff is not soldered closed, so it's easy to open and close a link. Okay, we'll go ahead and do our magic crimp again. Ravioli. And there's our little bead. I'm going to do one more because it was a little rough on one edge. Here we go. Super cute. And then I am just going to trim as closely as possible to this bead. Don't trim your main wire. Okay. And then I am just going to pick a length for my necklace. I love this so much. Now this is flipping a little bit. Okay, it's fine though when it's hung. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Okay, I'm gonna choose a length and then I'll show you it all. Okay, so I have it cut to the correct length. Just gonna open up a jump ring and put a clasp on the right side. And then it can just clip onto the link in the chain on the other side. The cool thing is I can also add an extender in case I want this necklace to be longer, which actually I think I am going to do at some point. So here we go. Super quick, but super fun necklace. That's the back. Here's the front. I love her. So cute. I don't think you can really tell in this lighting how cute this is, and it's going to be a sweet layering piece that can go with so many different colors. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for Goldie. Let me know what you think, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye-bye. Hi, cutie. Good morning. I got to go to work. But Grammy's coming today. Yeah, your Grammy's coming to see you today.